हरि ओम सर्वेभ्यः. Simple Sanskritam by Surya Kumari. We use prepositions in almost all sentences, isn't it? In the same manner, we use vibhakti in Sanskritam. There are 7 vibhaktis are there in Sanskritam. Prathama vibhakti, द्वितीया विभक्ति, तृतीया विभक्ति, चतुर्थी विभक्ति, पंचमी विभक्ति, षष्ठी विभक्ति, सप्तमी विभक्ति. सप्त विभक्तयः 7 vibhaktis. I'll explain each one, and it's very important when we speak. Prathama vibhakti, the first one. Prathama means first. Prathama vibhakti. First one is, for example, Ramaha, Krishnaha, Govindaha, Vrukshaha, Simhaha. So these are what we are saying. We are just mentioning the name of the person, or name of the thing, or name of the animal, whatever it is. Noun. That is Prathama Vibhakti. Now, we'll go to the next one, second. Dvitiya Vibhakti, second one. Ramam, Ruksham, Simham. In Prathama Vibhakti, what we are saying? Ramaha, Simhaha, Chamasaha. Chamasaha means spoon. Chashakaha, Chashakaha. Tumbler, with which we drink water, coffee, or whatever it is. Chashakaha. So the Chashakaha, Ramaha, they are in Prathama Vibhakti. For that, what we are doing in Dvitiya Vibhakti, we are saying Ramam, Chashakam, Chamasam, Simham, Ruksham, like that. To remember the vibhakti, we'll make a small sentence and then we can remember easily. Prathama vibhakti, Ramaha. Ramaha vidyalayam gacchati. Ramaha. Govindaha pathati. Govindaha. Prathama vibhakti. Govindaha pathati. Balakaha likhati. Prathama vibhakti. In Dvitiya vibhakti, what we are saying? Ramam, Balakam, Ruksham, like that. According to our sentence idea, we can make a proper form. Here, Ruksham will take up Ruksham. Ruksham pashyatu. See the tree. Ruksham pashyatu. Ramam ahoyatu. Ahoyatu means call. Call Rama. Call Rama. Ramam ahoyatu. Then Ramaha Devalayam gacchati. Devalayaha is the Prathama Vibhakti, and Devalayam gacchati, to the temple, to. Dvitiya Vibhakti means to. Ramaha Devalayam gacchati. Krishnaha Vidyalayam gacchati. In Prathama Vibhakti, Vidyalayaha. So now we are saying Vidyalayam gacchati. Vidyalayam, to the college, to the temple. So 2 is Dvitiya Vibhakti. And then now next one is Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya. Ramena. Ramena Sita Aranyam gacchati. Ramena Sita Vanam gacchati. Ramena. Chamasaha asti. चमसेन अहं खादामि, चमसेन खादामि। चषकः, चषकेन पिबामि, चषकेन पिबामि। The next one is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ramaya, Ramaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha. For I am offering my prayer to Rama, for Rama. Ramaya, Chaturthi means for or by. Krishna is fond of butter. Rochate, fond of means rochate. Krishnaya navanitam rochate. Krishnaya navanitam rochate. That means butter is liked by Krishna. By Krishna. Butter is liked by Krishna. Krishnaya navanitam rochate. Govindaya kshiram rochate. Ramaya pushpam dadatu. Offer flower for Rama. Ramaya pushpam dadatu. That is fourth one. Ramaya. Whenever you say any other Pullinga Shabdam, Ramaya, Chashakaya, Anantaram Simhaya, Evam Vadati, Evam Agachati. Anantaram Panchami Vibhakti. Ramat, Rukshat, Simhat. For that we'll take one sentence, easy sentence. Rukshat phalam patati. Rukshat phalam patati. That means the fruit is falling from the tree. From. Rukshat means from the tree. Ramat, from Rama. To remember, you can use this sentence. Vrikshat phalam patati. And then Shashti Vibhakti. Ramasya. That means Ramas son. Ramasya putraha Lavaha. Dasaradhasya putraha Ramaha. Then Ramasya, Vrukshasya. That is Ramas of Rama, like that. Then Saptami Vibhakti, the last one, Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti, Rame, Vrukshe, Gruhe, in Aham Gruhe Asmi. Aham Gruhe Asmi. I am in the house. In Vrukshe Phalam Asti. Vrukshe Phalam Asti. Remember that one. Vrukshe Phalam Asti. Gruhe Aham Asmi. Evam Gruhe, Vrukshe, Simhe, Devalaye. Devalaye Kim Asti? Devalaye Devaha Asti. Vidyalaye Kim Asti? Vidyalaye Chhatraha Asti. Vidyalaye Chhatraha Santi. Chhatraha Asti. Chhatraha Santi. Evam Saptami Vibhakti. These are all in Pullingam and Napusaka Lingam. That means neuter gender and also masculine gender, I told you. Now I am going to tell feminine gender, a little bit different. That also how to remember. We have to remember a small sentence and then we can easily remember. Any word, any word we can make a sentence. For example, female person, Sita, Lata, Kapatika. Even the things, name of the thing is also in Strilingam. So, Kapatika. Kapatika means a almara. Almara or some birva. Kapatika. So, Dvichakrika, two-wheeler. Dvichakrika, Balika. These are all in Strilingam. That means feminine gender. Strilingam. For this, Prathama Vibhakti. Lata, Sita, Geeta, Vanita, Mahila, all these are in Strilingam. Kapatika, even name of a thing. Kapatika, Sthalika, plate. Sthalika, Dvichakrika, yanam, two-wheeler. Dvichakrika, these are all in Strilingam. So for that we are going to say some of the sentence. I will tell you. First one, Prathama Vibhakti. Sita. Sita pashyati. Lata asti. Lata chitram likhati. Chitram, that means picture. Chitram likhati. Likhati nama painting also likhati, we can say. Anantaram Lata chitram pashyati. Lata, Sita, Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Latam, Sitam, Sthalikam, all in feminine gender. Latam pashyatu. Latam pashyatu. That means see the creeper. Lata means creeper and also name of a girl, we can say. Latam pashyatu. Anantaram Dvichakrik. Anantaram Tritiya Vibhakti. I'll tell you some more sentences for Dvitiya Vibhakti. Sthalikam anayatu. Sthalika. Sthalikam anayatu. Anantaram Tritiya Vibhakti. Third one. Tritiya Vibhakti means with. Dvichakrika we said, no? So Dvichakrikaya, Sitaya, then that Dirgham will disappear. Lata, Lataya, Sita, Sitaya, Dvichakrika, Dvichakrikaya. So that is Tritiya Vibhakti. Dvichakrikaya agachami. Aham Dvichakrikaya, two-wheeler. Dvichakrikaya agachami. Saha Dvichakrikaya gachati. So remember this word, you can just immediately you can remember. Dvichakrika, Dvichakrikaya, Sitaya, Geetaya, Vanitaya, Mahilaya, Sthalikaya, evam. Anantaram Chaturdhi Vibhakti. Chaturdhi Vibhakti. Always we say for Namo Namaha. Sitayai Namaha. Saraswatyai Namaha. Gauryai Namaha. Parvatyai Namaha. Namaha. Whenever we say Namaha, Namaskaraha, Chaturdhi Vibhakti will come. So, Sitayai Namaha. So, Chaturdhi Namaha, always Namaha, remember. And then Panchami Vibhakti. Sitayaha. Panchami and Shashti are same pronunciation, same words. Sitayaha. Sitayaha Panchami. Shashti also Sitayaha. Sitayaha. Kapatikayaha. फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर उदाहरणार्थम् एकं वाक्यं वदामि कपाटिका अस्ति खलु कपाटिकायाः पुस्तकम् आनयतु कपाटिकायाः पुस्तकम् आनयतु that means from the cupboard bring the book कपाटिकायाः पंचमी विभक्ति from and then षष्ठी विभक्ति षष्ठी विभक्ति of सीतायाः पतिः रामः सीतायाः रुक्मिण्याः पतिः कृष्णः सुभद्रायाः सोदरः कृष्णः सुभद्रायाः पतिः अर्जुनः that means Subhadra's husband is Arjunah. Now yaha means his we are saying no his son. Dasaratha's son is Ramaha. Dasaratha's means Dasarathasya putraha Ramaha. And last one is Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti, we are saying Kapatika. Kapatikayam Vastrani Santi. Kapatikayam Pustakani Santi. Kapatikayam Pustakani Santi. Kapatika. Anantaram. Utpitika means table. Utpitikayam pustakani santi. Utpitikayam pustakani santi. Pustakani means books. Bahuvachanam, plural number. Kapatikayam pustakam sthapayatu. Kapatikayam phalam sthapayatu. Phalam fruit. Anantaram nadyam kapatikayam nadyam janaha taranti swimming. Nadyam janaha taranti. Nadyam balakaha taranti swim. Taranti means swim. Balakaha means boys. Boys swim in the river. Nadyam balakaha taranti. Nadyam purushaha taranti. Nadyam mahilaha taranti. Evam. Saptami vibhakti. These are the 7 vibhaktis you have learned. So, for each vibhakti, you just write a small sentence. Rukshat phalam patati. Now you can understand from Ramaya namaha Chaturthi. For Rama. Ramaya pushpam dadami. Ramaya. For Rama, I am offering flower for Rama. For. So in that way, if you write a small sentence, you can remember the vibhakti easily. So whenever the word comes, I will again tell you in the sentences. But for now, you must remember the vibhakti. These are only prepositions. Without prepositions, we can't speak anything. So now I'll stop now. Idanimaham samapayami. Punarmilamaha. Krupaya mama channel subscribe kurvantu. Like kurvantu. Anantaram prasarayantu. धन्यवादाः. जयतु भारतं, जयतु संस्कृतम्.